Once inside the cell, a prime editor protein, composed of a Cas enzyme domain and a reverse transcriptase, RT domain, binds to a prime editing guide RNA, or pegRNA. The pegRNA has two important sequence components: a search sequence that allows the Cas enzyme to find the mutated gene sequence, and a replace sequence that provides the instructions for correcting the mutated DNA. The prime editor and pegRNA complex search through the genome, looking for a region near the mutated DNA sequence that matches the pegRNA's search sequence. The prime editor complex is highly specific in binding to the correct DNA sequence. When a match is found, the prime editor and pegRNA's search sequence binds near the mutated DNA sequence. Once the prime editor identifies the correct DNA sequence, the Cas domain undergoes a conformational change that allows it to cut just one of the two strands of DNA, generating a nicked single-stranded piece of DNA. The nicked single-stranded DNA then binds to the replace sequence of the pegRNA in the region to which it is complementary. The RT domain of the prime editor copies the corrected DNA sequence using the pegRNA's replace sequence as a template. Repair of the DNA completes the editing process. First, the corrected DNA strand replaces its mutated counterpart by strand invasion. DNA repair enzymes remove the first mutated strand and stitch the strand back together. This leaves one strand corrected and one still containing the mutation. Additional DNA repair enzymes remove the other mutated DNA strand and replace it using the corrected strand as a template, resulting in the correction of both strands of DNA.